It's not really a lead chef and a sous chef, like we're a team, we're together.
I wanted to serve something that's unknown in California.
Like I really wanted to push myself, and duck was something I'd never worked with, and you know, my parents never cooked that for me either. We were just not exposed to it.
Hello, I'm Monika Dobrowska. This is the sour rice soup, which is a Polish traditional soup, but with Californian twist.
When it first arrived, I was a little unsure, and then the moment I took a sip, I was actually really pleasantly surprised, and I sort of described to my neighbor. Each sip I took, I sort of fell more and more in love with the dish.
You know, the little meatballs were nice caramelization on the outside, and was still nice and juicy inside, and the soup was, the flavors were just very nice.
So this is a brined and sous vide duck, and it has a Cumberland sauce on top, some roasted cauliflower and mushrooms, cauliflower puree, and some pickled mustard greens on top.
I liked how the meat, just texturally, I liked how the duck felt in the mouth.
Amazingly tender all the way through. The skin was nice and crisp, and had a nice, the sauce had a nice little sweetness but acidity to it.
There was a California flair not only with the duck, but with this mustard, which is in season now. It's a brightness of flavor and an intensity that really matters.
So we have a citrus pavlova in front of you guys with a Meyer lemon curd. We also have a honey and pistachio fennel twill right next to that, some vanilla bean ice cream, and some segmented caracara oranges, and some fennel and pistachio dusting on top.
The dessert was delicate, seemed like kind of a dessert you might see at a Michelin-rated restaurant.
It was citrus, it was sweet, but not too sweet. It had this creamy, light, airy quality to it.
It was just a really nice, light, refreshing end to the meal.
It's funny for us as an instructor to see students actually not just do what you've instructed, but to kind of raise it a level, and to raise it to a level where, okay, at the Michelin-rated restaurant, you need to bring it. And I think students understand that, but to see them execute it and own it.
I think they did an awesome job today.